G'day, I'm Mark Boxer and welcome to another episode of Ryco Filters Mechanics View. In this series we visit workshops around Australia and chat to the owners about why they own the business and what makes their workshop tick. Today we're here in Bribie Island in Queensland to chat with the owners of First Avenue Tyre Mechanical. The business has been around for 44 years and has been passed down through a number of family generations. In that time they've built a strong connection to its customers and the community. G'day boys, how you going?
Yeah, good yourself?
Not too bad, Mark.
No.
Nice to meet you.
Jake.
Now, see, it's not just a tyre shop you got here and you've been around quite a while. Give us a bit of history about the business.
My father built this business in 1979. I started as an apprentice mechanic back in 1984 after leaving school, and I'm still here now. And along the way I've had two sons join me. This is one of my sons, Jake. He's been a mechanic since he was
20?
Yeah. You did your carpenter apprenticeship.
Did my carpenter apprenticeship first.
Become a carpenter and realised you wanted to be a mechanic because it was much more fun, fixing cars.
And I guess, you know, Bribie Island's a pretty sort of tight-knit community here. I mean, how do you go with all the locals and keeping people happy around here?
Yeah, we have a very good local community, as you said. We support a lot of the local clubs. That gives us a good vibe in the community. You know, people know we're here, they know the Hogan family. They like shopping local too.
Yep.
They know we're local, so they like shopping local. We're competitive, pricing competitive, tyres, servicing.
So obviously you've got a bit going on here, petrol station, tyres, mechanical, but why don't you give us a look around?
Yeah, sure, let's go for a walk.
No worries. All right, mate, so we're outside now. There's a bit of sand on the ground, so I think it looks like some people have been airing down. Give us a rundown of what's going on here, the whole business.
Well, we got a lot of four-wheel drives coming out here to pump their tyres up because we have a beach 5 kilometres down the road.
Okay.
Straight onto the access track, straight on the beach, 20 to 30 k's of sand driving. So
Yeah,
a lot of
beautiful.
people are coming here to air down, or if not, coming back to pump their tyres back up.
All right, so what's going on in here?
So this is where we do a lot of the servicing, tyres, balancing. We keep all our oil, use Castro oil, so we've got a fair range of 20s.
Pretty decent stock of tyres here as well.
Pretty decent stock of tyres. We've got about 1,000 to 1,100 tyres at any one point of time.
Okay.
Behind you there. New tyre fitting machine. It's all leverless, so you're not touching rims these days.
Okay, yep.
You've come at a pretty good day, Bucks. We do have this crazy V8 Colorado. Yeah, 6.2 litre. They've done a hell of a lot of work to it. I think it's making just over 500 horsepower.
Yeah, nice.
With 1,300 torque.
Yep.
So it's fantastic. So this is where we do our alignments.
Okay.
A lot of tyres we do on this hoist as well. Fantastic hoist. It's got a double jack on the inside, so you can jack front, back, wherever you want. We use a Hunter aligner. Fantastic alignment. We've done over 6,000 alignments just on this machine.
Yeah, wow. Well, so you've got a decent team in here. I mean, with trends and things changing, what do you guys do to skill up and do training?
We try and keep on top of most of our training. The boys go to some nights with Repco, do training nights.
Yep.
Once every couple of months, so we try and get to them, keep on top of all the newer vehicles, all the electric vehicles coming out, that sort of stuff.
So, and how do you market your business and what do you find is effective?
Come down to marketing with sponsorships. So we sponsor the NRL team across the road, the Bribie Bowls. We've got a big billboard at the front. We always put in people with big deals, you know, if you've got deals on tyres or whatever's going on, so we try and...
So how important is it for you guys to work with reputable brands?
Yeah, so we work with Ryco, which are a fantastic brand. They keep up to date with a lot of stuff. We use Castro oils, fantastic. They have a lot of range in a lot of the new cars.
And obviously you sell quite a few tyres here.
Yeah, we sell a lot of Hancooks. We try and keep our main seller to Hancooks because they're a fantastic tyre. They last too many Ks is the problem sometimes. We try and use the best products we can for the customers.
So, and obviously as you're sort of taking over to the next generation, what are the plans moving forward with the business?
Try and go into more aftermarket parts. So like your water separators, your oil catch cans. We do a lot of lift kits.
Yep.
And install lift kits with bigger tyres and that sort of stuff.
How do you think the trade can improve and what are you guys doing to implement things for the future?
We're trying to keep on top of all our training. So keep the training going for the newer cars that are coming in. So we offer a good service where we drop people off and pick them up. So if they drop their car off through the day, we'll drop them home anywhere on Bribie, out to Ningi, you know.
And I mean, I'm a mechanic by trade and you are as well. What would you give advice to people that are wanting to get into the industry?
It's a fantastic industry to get into, bar what people say. Like working on cars is good fun. You get to work on some high performance cars, you get to work on, you know, 4-wheel drives. Just get your tools and get out there and start knocking them over.
Yeah, obviously you've got plenty to get done here, so I'll leave you to it. Thank you for your time and catch you later.
Have a good day.